Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator application not working. Now, there are a lot of reasons your Microsoft Authenticator application will stop working, and they're like troubleshoot problems that you really need to fix. So that's why we're here. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So I'm just going to walk you through some processes that are just going to help. Okay, so you have this troubleshoot problems and how to fix them. So number one, here I talked about, here is actually addressing with the airplane mode. So if you know that your device is on airplane mode, ensure that it is turned off. All right, so if it's turned off, then you'll be able to access the internet and you'll be able to get your account working. And then if you're using cellular, try switching to Wi-Fi and vice versa. So if you're browsing over a cellular network, you can try using a Wi-Fi so that for speed. And then if you're using a VPN while you're having that issue, you're going to have to deactivate your VPN. So the next thing is to check if battery optimization is enabled for your authenticator, and you can find that in your phone settings. So head over to your phone settings, click on settings, and then click on or search for battery optimization. Ensure that it has been turned on. All right, ensure it is turned on for Microsoft Authenticator application. And the next thing is make sure you run the latest version of the Authenticator. So another reason your app is not working is because it's outdated. So head over to the platform you used in downloading the application, either Google Play Store or Apple Store. In the search bar, type Microsoft Authenticator application and see if you need to update. If you see the update button, please click on that. That could be the issue. And if you do that, that's going to be fixed. And then make sure the device requires a PIN or biometric to unlock screen. Okay, so try to re-enable your Face ID or your fingerprint in your device setting. So once you enable that, re-enable that, then go ahead and restart your phone or reboot your phone and your app to start working. Now here I have a very important message. Some errors are intermittent, and if you ran into a problem previously, retry your signing to see if the problem still occurs, because those errors are like temporary and they can be fixed. It could be an issue from the app itself. All right, so if password signing doesn't work, try signing in with username and password and use a time-based one-time password, which is in your Authenticator app. For two-factor authentication is a temporary workaround. Okay, so this is pretty much, if you go through any of these processes, then your application should start working. That's a guarantee. So this is pretty much the process. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.